And this chair I can see down the driveway there. And over this way, there's the bank. And there's the tree right up here. And we have the bank, the first house, the driveway, and the second house. She comes from the house and back, down this driveway, across this house, past here, there's the bank, to the vehicle parked by this tree, honking, which the rig catches. When they honk, it comes down. That's my apartment building, and that's where I sit over there. There's a little thing in between the houses here. You see that? That when she parks there and honks, it comes right down this path and zaps at me at that window over there. She comes from the house and back, down this driveway, across this house, past here, there's the bank, to the vehicle parked by this tree, honking, which parks there and honks. The rig catches. When they honk, it comes down. That's my apartment building. It comes right down this path and zaps at me at that window over there. It's 11:07 p.m. Let's see how it sounds on recorder here. I'm working on the honking video in the movie maker. If I know, just brain scatters, head hurts. I don't get to. It takes me a while to settle down, so I just sit and wait to get over with, so I could be ready for it, not caught by surprise.
Your rights and freedom ends when they start violating my rights and freedom.
That's a good one.